So rotating the tank to drop it, you can obviously see rattle can rebuild. God, why do people do this crap? It just makes more work for me. So we got the filler cap off. And we're up in here, getting ready to drop this here tank out. Big pain in the ass. So whoever put this together was pretty sloppy. They literally painted body color over the rubber that holds, this goes back here, that holds and protects over the lines in the sending unit. So all kinds of fun. I have to try to fight this out now because somebody was a stupid idiot. Trying to pull this disaster out. Whole lot of dirt fell out because it's definitely in there. Somebody went a little crazy. Oh, shit. Okay, so we got this leaky piece of dog shit finally out. And it definitely smells like leaky garbage gas. So I'm gonna pull the whole big sending unit out, which is a total pain in the dick. And I can see the fuel sloshing in there. But pull that out, dump this pile out, get ready to take it to Gary. Explains the whole reason it smells like gas when you filled the car. Yeah, the bladder's damaged. These cars have a bladder and all that. But it's also really scuzzy inside the bladder itself. You can see it's pretty brown and crusty. And yeah, there's a little gas on the floor, but that evaporates. Anyway. Fun.